Okay, so I decided to come back and add some more stuff to this section here. So if you guys remember in the introduction for this lecture, for this section here, I showed you when we, hover over the like button when we are logged in, that it was a tooltip, like some type of message saying that we liked this before. So I want to show you how to do that dynamically. Bootstrap has a class and a couple data attributes that allows us to do that. Okay, and if you look it up, let's see, let's get this out of here. We don't need that no more. Let's go to Bootstrap real quick. Bootstrap tooltip. I think I've done this in the course before, maybe another one, I don't know. We need number 3, okay, because that's what we got in there. But anyway, I'll just look it up. Just this is number 3. Okay, so it's a plugin. You add some data and you execute it, something like that. Okay, let's do that. Let's see if I remember how to do this. If not, we just look at the documentation. So in the element where we want this to be implemented, we have to create some data attributes or something like that right here. Some attributes like that. Let's just put this down a little bit. I'm gonna even put down the PHP there, just like that. Everything in. So here I want to start targeting that button. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is have some type of toggle. Okay, data toggle. And let me see, data toggle is tooltip title. Okay, perfect. I think I got it down. So that's the first thing we do, the data, and you guys can pause this video and try to do that yourself. Okay, so the data toggle, am I still inside its link? No, I'm not. Oops. This is the href. This is what I need right here. Gosh. So data toggle, and this is just, it has to be tooltip. Okay, just for your information. And the other is the data placement. We have a data placement, and I don't think my ID is going to help me with this. I know we have a data placement because this is where I want, we can put this anywhere we want, the bottom, the left, the right, whatever. I know the data placement is on top. That's what I did in my other application, which I don't have with me. Crazy. I should have it. And title, what is the title that we want to display? So this one could be, as a matter of fact, let's use this guy here. And here, instead of unlike, what we can say is, I like this before, just like we had in the, demo. And where it says like here, want to like it. Okay, nice. So once that's done, now we're kind of done with this functionality. Now the next step is to activate this. Okay, so we need to go and activate it where we have JavaScript, because that's how we do it with Bootstrap. Okay, if everything is working in your app, right here when we are making sure that document has loaded, we are going to target this with jQuery, and we're going to say I want to target this attribute called data toggle, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, but make sure that you toggle the data toggle that has the value of, as a matter of fact, we can just do double outside. That has the value of tooltip. As a matter of fact, this, I don't think this works like this. I think it's inside here. We'll find out in a minute if it works. tooltip. Okay, so that's it with that. And there is a function attached to this that Bootstrap allows us to use called tooltip. And that's it. I think I'm doing it right. Let's find out, guys. All right. I know some of you get upset when I say that. Oh, I think I'm doing it right. Come on, guys. If I put my mouse over it, there we go. Look at that. You see it? Want to like this? Oh, I click it, and now it should say something different. I like this before. Awesome, guys. So that's an extra thing for you guys. Remember to organize your code a little better than me. Make your comments, tie everything up more, so that way your application looks nicer. You know, your code looks nicer, and you don't have all the developers screaming at you because your code is all messed up or something. Okay. So you can enclose this in this if you want. Okay, it will work the same. Okay, but there we go. There we go. There we go. Just double check it to see if it works, guys. Okay, like for example, make sure that you open your console and refresh on like. That's working pretty awesome. What do you think? Okay. All right, we're done with this, guys. So make your requests. If you're having any issues in the course entirely, please, when I create some type of announcement or something, just you can mention it. Hey, Edwin, help me out. I'm having like big issues in this. So that way I can. I got thousands of students, so it's hard for me to actually know that everyone is making a mistake. Even if my assistants tell me, sometimes they might skip it too. So I would like to know if you have any issues, but don't crowd the announcements or anything like that. You can also send me a private message if it's something personal to your project or something like that. If I have time, I can help you out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lectures.